Hey, good afternoon. Thank you for tuning in for the virtual tour over here at 110 Madison Ridge Lane in Herndon. It's a really cool house built in 2008. It's got a two-car garage, super cute exterior, nestled in Madison Ridge, within walking distance to shops and restaurants. But it's a really cool house. I can't wait to show you the inside. All right, let me show you the inside. So this house has a total of just under 4,400 square feet above grade on 3 levels. Nice welcoming foyer. And then to the left is the beautiful spacious dining room. Great for entertaining. And the dining room connects to the beautiful open kitchen with white cabinets and a breakfast nook. The breakfast nook and the family room off to the left overlook the beautiful brick patio in the backyard. It's fully fenced in, very spacious, lots of windows, and a nice gas fireplace. And then on the other side of the house is also a main floor office space and a half bath, which is right this way. And then finally on the main floor to the left of the front door is the formal living room. All right, let's head on upstairs. All right, so here we are on the bedroom floor. This level hosts 4 bedrooms and 3 full baths. We're gonna head into the master suite first with a nice sitting area over to the right. Into a cozy, spacious master bedroom. A great size walk-in closet with his and her sides. And into the beautiful master bathroom with a separate toilet stall, double vanities, and a separate tub. All right, let's check out the secondary bedrooms as well. So the guest suite is over this way with an ensuite bathroom and a walk-in closet. And then bedroom number 3 and 4 are on the other side of the hallway with a Jack and Jill bath. Great size secondary bedrooms as well. And then finally on this level, we have a good sized linen closet over here. And the laundry room. All right, and then there is a second upper floor, which hosts a nice recreational room, an additional bedroom, and another full bath. This is great space to either just hang out, watch TV, or turn it into a homework area for the kids, or into a playroom. Full bath. And another bedroom. All right, let's go ahead and check out the outside as well. The property is located on a 0.24 acre lot. And in my opinion, this kind of backyard gives you the best of both worlds because you have the play set and the grass area for the kids to run around, as well as the brick patio, which is great for entertaining and grilling outside. All right, and lastly, we're down here in the lower level, which is currently unfinished, but it is very spacious and can be finished. There is rough-in for a bathroom right over here. And obviously it hosts the utilities, and it would make for great storage space if you just needed additional storage. All right, well, that was the tour of 110 Madison Ridge Lane. Thank you again for tuning in. If you have any additional questions about the property or want to see more photos, we have them uploaded at www.110madisonridge.com, or reach out if you have any questions.